Wow, this is so amazing. Agro aspiration. So I've come a long distance, a long way. I'm in one of my follower and my subscriber on my YouTube channel. So he invited me to come and witness this. As how he got a very huge farm of palm that is producing liters of big timbers of oil, red oil. People know as how red oil is mostly consumed here in Africa now in these our days. People know as how oil is mostly consumed. So I'm just from picking some ones in his garden and notice that it's this American hybrid. You guys can see as how it is inside. Very, very scarce to see and very, very good for red oil. So I don't know why people are like resisting, holding themselves not to invest in agriculture. You guys can see as how it is. Let us visit a bit the farm. You guys will notice that as how the plantation is going right down, up to down. This almost we're inside a garden of 5 hectares. We're inside a garden of 5 hectares of plantation that actually he have invited me to come and witness as how he's making the money in, as how I've been like trying to teach the knowledge to others, and people can see to invest in this is very simple and very, very economical and no stress. People can see as how the worker have started clearing by this way and it's very clean, and the next week they'll continue by clearing by the other way. So I've reached by this side where that the nursery, not difficult to nurse, not difficult to do any process. If you guys are interested, people guys can write on the comment section. If you guys want really that, let me teach you on how to cultivate our palm plantation. Our palm plantation, this American hybrid, very good for red oil, the best in the market. This is the first breed, very natural and very productive, and very the oil. The first grade of this oil, they mostly produce this groundnut oil, this huile raffinée. So you guys can like invest in this. Like an investor, you can invest in your planting, this type of plantation, your palm plantation. Oh la la, it's amazing. I'm very excited. I'm very happy that I've reached here, come far away from my own country to here, from my own town to here, and to come and witness this wonderful work that the man is doing here. It's a success, and it's amazing work. So I will explain you some small guides for this to invest in this palm plantation. Just need to like nurse your seed, and your seed can stay at least for 1 year on the nursery. After 1 year, the nursery come and transfer it. You just like place it at the same. You guys can see in one distance of one palm, in this plantation, one there from here is 10 meters square. So they give 10 meters square to each palm so that it should have space, and it should have space to breathe very well. People notice as some are already buried there. People can know how much can he be gaining every week in this plantation. His plantation. You guys know how much can he be gaining in this plantation? It's a lot of money. It's making cash here. It's a big man. In my next video, I'm going to be introducing you for the guys, but for now he just wants to be anonymous for security guide and for some security purpose. But I'm very glad. I'm very excited. No stress inside, and he's gaining his money, and him is inside other business, but invest something that is generation. This palm tree, we can be talking like that. This palm tree can be going like this can be 20 years palm tree now, because we are seeing the age of this palm tree. This palm tree can be going like for 20. This palm plantation can be going for 20 years today. Yeah, it's already an old palm tree, because that's why you bought it like that. to start cashing the money. The person that planted, maybe he sell it to him, and him also, he can also exploit it for a number of times and still sell it to. So no matter as like maintaining it, he can still make it and still sell it to others. He can still make it and sell it to others. So it's very amazing, very, very amazing. I love the nature that it is here. I love the visit. So I'll be visiting more other farms, and I'll be showing people how people are really making the catch in agriculture. Some people think that agriculture is just like having waste of time or looking where to like I don't know, to suffer, or I don't know. But these are people making money in agriculture. No matter the business that he have in towns, no matter the industry that he have, this is a company that is making. Up there you guys can see that's where they transform the oil, and before taking it to the market. Up there you guys are going to see that is the packing store or wherever. When they bring it there, then they deposit it and transform the oil. So next week I'm going to be coming to show you guys as how they're transforming the oil. Before from today, that's inside the record, that's harvesting. They've never yet started to harvest, and these are some of the palm that pick. You guys can come here. I'm going to show you some are already mature stage and it's falling. You guys can see. So it's falling. It's so amazing. You guys can see. Very good, very natural. Like it.